can you install Tailwind CSS to your React application? First of all, have your React application running, which you created with Vite React. If you created with npx create React app, probably it might not work. So it should be created with Vite React. So go to tailwindcss.com, docs, look for framework guides, click on Vite, scroll down. So you can see this one is for creating application, navigating to the project. Now, click on copy this one. Click on this one to copy installing the Tailwind CSS. Come to application, create a new terminal, and then you paste. And then come back. So you can copy all of this just to replace all of them. This actually means you are telling your application that all the content in the source, all the folders in the source should use this Tailwind, right? So all the content that you'll have in the source folder will apply the Tailwind CSS, right? So come back, look for Tailwind config. You can just paste all of that to replace all of them. So this means the Tailwind CSS will be applied to index.html and also any file inside the source folder. All right, and then scroll down, copy the Tailwind directives to your index.css. Look for it, index.html, go to src, index.css. I can just paste it on top of this. Yes, I don't actually need all of this, but let me just leave it. And then come back, check it again, and then you restart your server. So come back here, go to application, cancel this, and then npm run dev. You can check your application, refresh, and then you can see even the colors, even the font family has changed. So you can go and test. Go to index. Not index. Go to app.jsx. In the main div, add a class name. And then call it background color of red of 900, and then check it. Oh, sorry for that. Let me just remove this. Yes, background color of red 900, and then you come and check it. So you can see the Tailwind has been installed successfully. So that's how you can install Tailwind to your React application. Thank you.